What's up, dude? Hi, this is Near from the Bricks, dude. And today we have a special Lego church just for you. For all of you, the Lego fan believers. So, before we start, please subscribe to our channel just right here. This is super important for us as content creators. Ready? Let's get going. Our Lego church MOC is based over an old yellow church model, which is taken from an old Lego idea book from 1980. And that book is numbered 6000. At that time, even from the beginning of the 70s, Lego books also had numbers, just like Lego sets. So we decided to take that yellow church and turn it into a modern church using actually new parts. So we added a couple of features besides of changing the look and feel of the whole church. And one power feature is actually the ability to remove the roof in order to get access into the interior of this church and make it more playable. This way you can see what is inside. You can even play with that. You can see that there's a desk over there with maybe it's a newspaper or something to read, a goblet, and look at those slabs. They have actually a stud in the middle of them. On top you can see tiles, and those two colorful windows are actually different than one another. That means they're not the same. They have a very unique pattern, a diagonal one. Look at those bricks. Looks like a kind of old place. And this is actually a tile, 2-on-1 tile, which is actually based on that modified brick with two studs in front. And we used a similar trick, but slightly different on the one which I'm showing you now. This has the old modified brick with one stud, and this one is more shallow. So that's another way to show a bricks that is coming out of the wall, almost falling out. And this gives the church an old look and feel style. There's an entrance with a gate, two trees, and this is how the roof looks like. Now those plates allow you to put it in. Now you can see two special bricks to hold that round window, and the bell tower. The bell tower, if we open the bell tower, you can see the bell. This is our addition. Let's put it back. That's the front side, the entrance. Let's put the priest over there to overwatch the people entering the church. Now look what we used here. These are actually inverted slopes. We use them all over. These are 2-on-2 inverted slopes. On the walls we use 2-on-1 inverted slopes. And look at that thing. This is a kind of shield which is attached by a modified brick with two studs pointing out. Same trick in the back. And look at that red symbol in the front. Yeah, that's the roof. Now there's a red symbol, like a house symbol. This is something which we took from Nexonites. Okay, same way to attach it. Look at those plates. And this is another kind of old style look and feel. Now we use the light gray, light bluish gray, and also bricks from other colors, such as a kind of green and brown. And this is how it looks from the top. There you go. So, this is Nir from the Bricks Dude. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, watch our other videos, MOCs and upgrades. Signing out.